Oh, here they come. There they go.
Sir, I want to talk to you about your extended vortex.
I'm trying. Fuck off.
Oh God, cousin, thank you. I did something stupid.
Oh God, hiccups and feet. Too much going on. One shit at a time. We're out of the circle. Oh God, he's back with a vengeance with 10. Oh God.
Yeah, that motherfucker came back after you killed him, and he.
I'm sweating. Oh God, hiccup.
That was stressful. Leave your fucking hiccups too, man. That was too much going on.
I was laughing too much. I couldn't hold my breath, and then I was scared too.
Shooting something with a scope, and you came in, and I was like, oh God. The question is, are the hiccups gone?
I was trying to hold my breath.
Oh, sorry, my man. Start holding it now. That's 2 seconds after.
Oh.
Aw.